everyone.
Okay, hello everyone. Good.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, good morning. Adara, today we are going to post about clothes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Adara, I want to ask you, what do you wear?
I wear uniform.
Good. And what do you wear?
I wear skirt.
Good. And what do you wear?
I wear hat.
Good job. And next, what do you wear?
I wear socks.
Shock. Good job. What do you wear?
I wear shoes.
Shoes. Okay, great, Adara. And now I want to ask you, what do you wear?
I wear jacket.
Yes. And then, what do you wear?
I wear t-shirt.
Okay, good job. And next, what do you wear?
I wear dress.
I wear dress. Okay, good job, Adara. You are very good today. And so that's all for the post test. Thank you for coming today. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.